I was trying to log in for like
Have an hour.
for several minutes and it won't let me in. It says I got the wrong password. I'm not sure what's going on. It's probably like my keyboard played a trick on me. So I have no idea. Okay, so as promised, everyone, let's take out your class book. And where is my class book?
Isn't it over there?
Right here. Take out your class book. Turn to lessons, unit 6, lesson 6. Okay, unit 6, lesson 6, which is on page 50. Okay, page 50. And it says fun in the street. Okay, but before we go through the activity, I'd like you to take a look on the picture first. Okay, before the COVID hit us all, every country, they have their own carnivals or their own street fun special day, right? Like we Thai people, we have what, Songkran Day, right? Where people get together and join and splash the water. This one, it takes place in Norwich in England. And here is I give you the picture from their activity. Okay, so these are the street party at Norwich. Do you like this one? This one is face painting. Okay, this is really nice. This food, have you ever tried it? It's really good. It's called samosas. Okay,
Oh.
samosas. I'm not sure if it's Indian food. I think it's Indian food because I had it in the Indian restaurant, but I'm not sure. Here, this one, it's called spinach pizza. That looks really good. This one, the children has the a race. It's an activity where you put the egg on the spoon, and then who get there faster wins without dropping the egg, right? So this one is called egg and spoon race, right? That looks fun. And then this one is just a classroom, right? And this one is classroom with decorations. Okay, decoration, it means you beautify stuff, like, you know, decoration for New Year, decoration for Christmas. Okay, that's what it means, decoration. Okay, so I'd like you to quickly scan, you know, scan, like, right? There's an A, B, and C. And answer these questions. I'm having lunch and what time? Okay. Just answer A, B, and C quickly. So did you get it? When you do the quick skimming, you don't read the whole article. You're just sort of looking through the keywords, right? For example, this one, it says Wait, let me shrink it down a little. Okay, it says I'm having lunch. Okay, I'm having lunch. And where is my highlighter? I'm having lunch. What's the time, right? And we're looking here. Here, you look at the keywords lunch, and that's what 1:30, right? Number 2, I'm painting my face. What's the time? So you look through quickly, scanning the words, looking for the words face painting. Okay, face painting. Can you find it? Here, painting their face. So you're looking through, it is 1:45, right? And the last one, I'm listening to music. What's the time? So let's take a look. What's the time for the music? So this one says now it was time for music. That was 5 o'clock. That's how you skimming for the word for the answers. You don't need to read the whole thing. Okay, you don't need to read the whole thing. So now let's read through it. Okay, fun in the street. I just wonder if I could just find the YouTube. And if they will have any record in that, you know, Norwich party. Oh, they don't have the video, but what I was posting here, I believe that's a street party at Norwich. That was I could Google off, but they don't have the video. All right. Let's read it anyways. What is this? Okay. It says, Spencer Street is an ordinary street in Norwich. It was a special day yesterday. They had a street party and our reporter, Nick Jones, was there. Okay, the reporter is a journalist that report news. At 9 a.m., the street was quiet. Everyone was at home getting ready for the party. Some people were making food and drink. Some people were preparing the music and games. Other people were making the decorations. At 12:45 p.m., the street was nearly ready. There were tables and chairs in the middle of the road. The children were painting their faces. They looked great. At 1:30 p.m., it was time for lunch. The food was on the table. There were pizzas and pies. There were salads and samosas. There was chocolate mousse and lots of ice cream. I had spinach pizza and the strawberry ice cream. Delicious. At 3:15 p.m., it was time to relax. The children were playing games. The egg and the spoon race looked fun. Luckily, they were using hard-boiled eggs, right? If it was just egg, not boiled, it's probably just gonna be making a mess everywhere. At 5 p.m., now it's time for the music. There was band with a guitar, drums, and a keyboard. They live in Spencer Street too. They play fantastic music. At 7:15 p.m., it was nearly the end of the party. There was one more activity. There was a map on the ground. People in Spencer Street come from all over the world. They all put candles on their countries. 8 p.m., it was time to go home. Right, I think these are easy vocabularies, right? Because these are like the old vocabularies. So is there any words that you don't understand? Do you understand the story? These are just the schedules that, you know, tell what's going on that day, you know, on the Spencer Street. Okay. So now let's find the words in the text and do it. You can find it, right? It's on page 50 in the class book, page 50. Okay, are you finished? How come I can't hear you? Can you hear me? Guys, how's it going? Can you hear me? Are you finished with the exercise? What? Okay, test. Anyone, can you hear me? Guys, I just wonder if you can hear me.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. All right, let me back to share the story. All right. Are you finished now? Are you finished? What is number 1? What is number 1? Guys, can you answer the question?
Ice cream.
Chocolate. Yes.
I-
Chocolate.
Right, it is chocolate mousse, right? It's chocolate mousse. Number 2, what is it? It's samosas. Okay, samosas. Number 3,
Boiled egg.
number 3 is in, right? Number 3 is in the middle. Number 4, number 4. Can you? Number 4 is everyone. Number 5,
Boiled egg.
boiled egg. Number 6, what is it?
Balloon. Balloon.
It's
Balloons.
okay, it's decoration. Sorry. Okay. This one, are you finished with this one? Have you finished with this one? No? Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to answer the questions. Okay, are you finished? Number 1. Where is Spencer Street?
Norwich.
Very good. In Norwich. Can I make it bigger? Let me see. Is that better? Can you see it? It's so small. Okay, number 2. Where was everyone at 9 o'clock?
At home.
Right, at home. Number 3. What was in the middle of the road? Tables and chairs. Number 4. What did the reporter have for lunch?
Pizza and pie.
It's a spinach pizza and strawberry ice cream. Number 5. What did the children do after lunch? Can you find it? What did they do after lunch?
Playing games.
Good, they played games. Okay. Number 6. What was it? What was the music like?
Then a guitar.
It is fantastic. It says how, okay? Like, did they play good or bad? And then you explain it. It's great. It's fantastic. Number 7. Where do people in Spencer Street come from? Where did they come from? Did you get that? They said all over the world. Okay, all over the world. Number 8. When did the party end?
8 p.m.
Right, 8 p.m. Okay, now check your answer quickly. Ask me if you have any questions. Is it hard to read the story and then answer the questions? I know it's probably confusing because the article is quite long, but I like you to try to read and try to, comprehend the story so that you can practice yourself, because once you go to P6, which is soon, and I'm very regretted this year that I barely see you guys in a person. So it's really bad. And some of you guys didn't even turn on the camera. So it's really hard for me to recognize you guys. So yeah, so when you go up to P6, you will have to do the exams, right? To be able to entrance to the high school level. So these are the basics of reading, so if you try to practice and get into good at it, so that will be easier for you next year, right? So not everything gonna be like watching for the next year. So do you have any questions?
No.
No? Okay. I will see you not tomorrow, right? I'll see you on Tuesday. Okay, I'll see you on Tuesday. No homework. Okay, no homework today. So have a great weekend, guys. All right, bye.
Bye. Have a great weekend.
Thank you.
Bye bye.